Hi, my name is Dawn Spence, and I'm the teaching manager of SPED Homeschool as well as on the review team. And today I get the privilege of reviewing and unboxing Math-U-See's Principles of Secondary Mathematics. This is their new Algebra 1, and we've used the other algebra in the past, so we'll also highlight that when I do the review on as far as differences and similarities. But let's get opening this box. So it's a pretty hefty box, came in the mail. So let's see what Math-U-See sent us. We have used Math-U-See in all of our math journeys. I have 3 kids that I've used it with in some shape, form, or fashion. I would recommend it to you if you need something that's hands-on and cycles through things if your kids need review. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Being label, which we don't really need to see. This is nice. There's a catalog, so you can look at all their products that you might be interested in. Oh, this is cool. I've never seen this before. It's a mastery check rubric to see if your student is exceeding, progressing, or needs practice, skills and criterias, and it has a formula sheet on the back. And this is all laminated, and that's a nice addition that I haven't seen before. This is your test booklet. Each time you get Math-U-See, they do unit tests and chapter tests. So this is your test booklet. This is workbook A. So that's a little different. The old Algebra 1 came in 1. So here is, and it actually has a how you get started on the back. So we'll go back into that later as I do my next video and reviewing the curriculum. And here is the book B. Okay, let's see what else we have in the bottom. This is the instruction handbook. So this would be for you to sit down with your child and go over through the lessons. And again, it gives you instructions on the back how to use it. That's nice. And let's see what this last part is. So, okay, I see now. This was the instructor manual for part B, and this is for part A. It all comes in a soft cover. So I will go into more in depth about this curriculum, but that was our unboxing and that was the full set. So we'll come back and I'll go over how to use it, what I think about it in my next video. Thank you for watching.